Hey there, welcome to Rebuild Your Knowledge. As we all know that Diwali is nearby, we all want a bright and clean home. For this purpose, we have bought this video for you that might help you in cleaning your home. So let's start. Do you know that eating soda and vinegar are natural cleaners? In this video, we will tell you some hacks of baking soda and vinegar. If your refrigerator has a bad odor even after cleaning, then in that case you can use baking soda in an open box or plate and keep it in refrigerator so that it will absorb all the kinds of bad odor from refrigerator. If your drain pipe of sink or wash basin is choking, then you can put a mixture of baking soda and vinegar and leave it overnight. Next day you can flush it with water. This will help in cleaning of the choked pipe. If you want to replace fabric softener with something else, then vinegar or baking soda is of good use. Using baking soda approximately 1 cup or approximately a fourth cup of vinegar will help you soften the clothes as well as reduce static cling. You must replace fabric softener with baking soda and vinegar as fabric softener are laden with chemicals that might be harmful for your health. A mixture of 1 cup apple vinegar and 1 liter water will help to extend your plant's life. Fill this mixture in a spray bottle and spray it weekly on your plants. If your spectacle lenses have water spots, then spray white vinegar over your spectacles and wipe it with a clean soft cloth. If you want to avoid the shedding of the color of the clothes, then you can soak such clothes in undiluted white vinegar for 15 minutes and then wash them. This will reduce the shedding of the color. Microwave oven gets dirty with use, so to clean it, you can take a fourth cup of baking soda on a sponge and clean the inside part of the microwave oven. This will reduce the odors in the microwave oven. You can use undiluted white vinegar as a weedicide and spray on the unwanted weeds or grass in your garden. If you have odors of garlic or onion on your hand, then you can use a clean cloth soaked in vinegar and wipe your hand with this cloth. The odor will get completely removed from your hand. If you have clay pots which are dull, then you can brighten or bring back their original color by using vinegar. You can defrost car windows by wiping your car windows with a solution of 3 parts vinegar and 1 part water. This will help to prevent them from frosting over in the winter. You can use vinegar for cleaning fresh fruits and vegetables. Take 1 part vinegar to 4 parts water. You may double this depending on your requirements. Dip them for 5 minutes and wash with clean water. How did you like this video? Please tell us by commenting. We always wait for your comments. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so that you can receive our latest videos. Thanks for watching.